Welcome to Olbia archaeological site. During ancient Greece and Roman Empire, this was a successful settling as well as a harbor. You can visit the remains of the city for a few euros and follow with some snorkeling to see the pier. There's a car park where you can get equipped, read the local regulations, and there's only a short surface swim before you can see the old rock that used to be the harbor. It is very shallow, 6 meters at max, which makes it beginner friendly. There is even some surface marker in the summer for you to rest and read a bit about the history of the site. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe for more scuba diving videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!